Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see an easy and delicious pulao recipe. It is achari paneer pulao. The word achar means pickle in Hindi. So this pulao has the flavors of pickle and many other flavors. Serve it with some raita and chips. Now let's get started. To begin with, let us start by soaking the rice for the pulao. So today I have used 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash the basmati rice well with water 2 or 3 times until the water is very clear, and then let it soak for 30 minutes. Next, let us start preparing the achari masala. So I have used 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 dry red chili and 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder. I didn't have coriander seeds, so I went with the coriander powder. If you have coriander seeds, you can use half a teaspoon of coriander seeds. So now let us add all the spices except the coriander powder and start roasting in a low flame until you get a nice aroma. Just before you get a nice aroma and you are about to switch off, add the coriander powder, roast it for another 10 seconds and then switch off the flame. Once you switch off the flame, allow the masalas to cool down and then grind it to a fine powder and set aside. Heat a pressure cooker with 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Wait till it gets hot and then add in half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 4 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon sticks, 10 cashew nuts and 2 bay leaves. Roast everything until you get a nice aroma and the cashew nuts turn slightly golden. Next, let us add the onions. So I am adding 3 medium-sized onions. I have sliced it thinly and then I am adding it to the cooker. Saute until the onions turn glossy. Next, let us add pandan leaves or ramba ilai. Pandan leaves is like very aromatic and this is how it looks. So if you are able to source, you can add. Otherwise, you can skip it. Along with the pandan leaves, I am adding 2 green chilies, 1/4 cup mint leaves and 1/4 cup coriander leaves. Now mix well and saute until the leaves shrink well. Pandan leaves give a very nice flavor to any pulavs or biryani. So if you are able to source it, please go ahead and add it to the pulavs. Now the leaves have almost shrink. So next I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and cook until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste leaves. Along with this, I am going to add 2 big tomatoes. I have chopped them finely and then added it to the pulao. So mix well and cook until the tomatoes get soft. Now the tomatoes are almost cooked. So next let us add the spice powders. I am adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and the required salt. After adding the spice powders, mix well and cook in a low flame for a minute such that the masala blends well together. Once the masala is cooked well, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of pickle oil. This is like a very important step in this pulao. So if you are having any pickle, you can go ahead and collect 1 teaspoon of oil from the pickle and add it to the pulao. This gives a yummy taste. So please do not skip this. But if you do not have also, it is okay. Anyhow, we are adding the achari masala. So next I am adding 3 tablespoons of the ground achari masala. Mix well and combine such that the masala is well blended and cook in a low flame for almost 2 minutes. Now the masalas are almost cooked and it is combined well. So now I am going to add half a cup of cubed capsicum. I had red and green capsicums in hand, so I added it together. Now give a good mix. Next I am adding half a cup of green peas. I used the dried green peas. I soaked it overnight, pressure cooked for 4 whistles, and then I am adding it. But if you are having fresh green peas, you can add it directly. Now mix everything. And then I am adding 200 grams of cubed paneer. I have soaked the paneer in lukewarm water for 10 minutes and then I have added. The paneer will be very soft, so mix gently without breaking the paneer. And then next I am adding the soaked basmati rice. I have soaked the rice for 30 minutes and I am adding the rice. This is close to 2 cups of basmati rice. Add the rice and give a good mix such that it mixes well with the masalas, but make sure you are mixing gently and do not break the paneer. Now the rice is mixed well with the masala. So next let us add the measured water. Usually for 1 cup of basmati rice, I will be adding 1.25 cups of water. So today for 2 cups of basmati rice, I have added 2.5 cups of water. So next let me add 1/4 cup of curd. Give a good mix such that it is evenly mixed over with the rice and water. And then I am adding the lemon juice from half a lemon. Make sure the seeds don't fall inside the water. So add the lemon juice and mix everything once again. Taste it once and check for the salt and spice. Add if anything is required and then wait till the water comes to a boil and then close the pressure cooker, but do not put the whistle at this stage. Wait till the steam comes vigorously and put the whistle. Cook in a high flame for 3 minutes and then switch off the flame. Wait till the pressure is completely released and then open the cooker. Carefully fluff the rice without breaking the grains and also the paneer. The rice will be beautifully cooked. Achari paneer pulao is now ready. Serve with any raita or chips. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. For more recipes, please visit my website. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.